this is a really quick crash course in how to use Handshake for your assignments coming up. This is for your resume project, and you can use Handshake to find a site where you can fill out an application a little more easily than you can on Indeed.com and Snagajob.com. So Handshake is just another search engine for jobs, so don't let it intimidate you in any way. I followed the directions to set up an account, which you'll see also under this, under Handshake in your materials for this week. So what you'll do is you'll go to that website, you'll click on create an account. You want to use your Chaffee email to set that account up, and you should have a free account through Chaffee. Okay, so I basically went in, and the only thing I've really done is I've chosen this as my field. So you're going to want to choose a field or area based on the career that you are most interested in. I would recommend taking a look at your MBTI results if you have those already, or your True Colors results, and kind of see what careers go best with your personality, and then you can put down whatever career you'd like. So remember, you're not just looking for a job, you're looking for a career for your project. Okay, so that's the resume project. So I'm looking here at jobs. These are all jobs for cognitive neuroscientists. Okay, and I would say, because I'm a little bit further or more advanced, than I'm going to be able to find on this website for myself. So this is basically like for college graduates who have like a bachelor's degree, we'll say. If you have higher degrees like master's and PhD, probably this isn't the site you're going to be looking for jobs on. Maybe it's Indeed, or maybe it's Snag a Job, or some other place. You're still welcome to use those sites. This is just an easier one for the job application. So these are all going to be apply externally. And I would say that even on Indeed and Snag a Job, you want to find jobs where you're going to apply externally. So this is going to lead to the external application. So what I would do is I would fill this out section by section. So I'd fill out this section and take a photo, or just whatever I can fit on the screen. So I'm going to make it a little smaller. So I'd fill out this section, take a photo of that, fill out this section, take a photo, etc., until I get to the end of the application, and then press, and again, you don't have to submit the application, just FYI. Okay, so, but this is a full application. You notice how it's asking me to put in all of my information. So it's asking me to put in my languages, my resume, my education, any references, previous employment. That's what I'm talking about when I say I want a full application. Okay, so I could look up so let's say I wanted to look up like nursing. I could do that. Here's some nursing jobs. Okay, and then I would go to apply externally, and then I would look and see if any of these are really, here we go, environmental, here we go, a PH registered nurse. Awesome. I'm going to apply for this job. All right, so it says I'm going to have to create an account to apply. I may not want to do that, but you absolutely can. Okay, but let's say I don't want to do that and I want to apply for something else. Let's try this one. Let's see, Public Health Marietta. Where do I apply? To apply, please visit here. Okay. So I'm going to go here, then I'm going to fill out this application on this website. I would have to find that particular job. Okay, not that one. Here it is. So here it is, and I would press apply, and then I would go ahead and create this, I would create this pin and this whatever to log in, and then I would go ahead and fill out the application and take pictures as I went. Okay, so I can also, let's see, attach your resume. This would not be acceptable because basically you're just going to put your resume and upload. That's not completing a full application, so that one's not going to work. Let's see if this one works. Nope. So it has to be apply externally, really, for you to, here we go, apply externally. There we go. Here's all the, wow, here's hospital, RN, apply to position. Okay, there you go. There's the application. So you fill it out and take pictures as you go. That's that simple. All right, guys,